Hi friends, it's Wendy with thewendym.com, and I am here to unbox my August orders. And I'm going to get started with the first one is a loyalty reward order. And this one is a shop order that I put together. And we've got 2 boxes of our master formula. And remember, our master formula is our multi-spectrum multivitamin, and it comes in a convenient packet that gives you a total of 3 powder capsules and 1 liquid capsule. So it's a more beneficial effect. It gets into the system sooner with those oils, and this stuff is a powerhouse. It's my favorite that I've ever used. So we got 2 boxes of that, and then we got 1 Balance Complete. This is our protein shake powder, and this one's got a vanilla flavor, and what I like about it is the versatility, because if I want chocolate, I can add some raw cocoa, and I got chocolate flavor, and I'm not adding all the sugars that you get with a lot of the commercially prepared chocolates. I can also add other juices to this, and it'll take on whatever flavor. One of my favorite things to do is add some orange essential vitality oils to it, and that gives me a delicious orange creamsicle flavor. And another favorite is to add that chocolate cocoa powder into it and a drop of peppermint, especially around the holidays. Or this time of year in the fall, I like adding a drop of Thieves, and or 2 or 3, and that gives it that wonderful fall scent and also the flavors of fall. And then I also got our Power Meal. I'm so excited. Power Meal is also now back so that we can order it on our loyalty rewards, which is our monthly shipment. But this one, as I said, was a shop order. So excited to have this available in more than just a shop order. And then I also got some more clear vegetable capsules, and I got that, well, it's in another box. I got these because I take a vegetable capsule every single morning with our longevity oil and the vitality, and I put it into a capsule, and I just feel like it gives me what I need to stay healthy and to ensure longevity. So those are the capsules. And then I was running low on our mineral essence. This goes in my shake every single morning. I really don't care for the taste. Minerals are very strong tasting. So when I put it into my shake, I don't taste it. So that's the way I use it every single morning. And then I stocked up on some more charcoal bar soaps. And I don't know if I've ever shown you, so let's just open one of these up. Oh, I can smell it just getting it near me. The charcoal bar soap is actually charcoal. It is jet black. It's infused with our orange blossom scent, and it's so wonderful. I'll occasionally use it in the shower, but most of the time my husband's the primary user of this, and when we're running low, he lets me know. And then I needed to stock up on our Agiles. So I got 2 Agiles in this order and 1 of our Illuminize. Remember, Illuminize is to help us with the blue blockers for the screen time that all of us are probably doing way too much of. And our Agiles keeps our bones and our muscles and all of the joints flexible and working at their best. And then I stocked up because I was running out of my moisturizer, so I got the Art line this time because it's specifically formulated for more mature skin, and whether I want to admit it or not, that's where I'm at. So this is the Intensive Moisturizer, and let's see if I can open that up. I should have opened it first. It's got a seal across the back of that, and my fingernail's not quite getting that seal broken. Anyway, it comes in a jar. You push it down, and it dispenses a small amount, which is perfect, the amount that I need. And I will use this along with my CBD Beauty Boost to give it the extra moisturizing that I want for my skin. And then I also got the Gentle Cleanser. I love that this is, again, this is sealed too, so I'm not going to be able to get under there. Nope, can't. I love that this one comes out already foaming. It's a foaming dispenser, and it's gentle enough that I can use it on my eye makeup to remove it. It takes off eye makeup beautifully, and I use one pump. So it doesn't take very much, and it's gentle on the skin when you're putting something that's already foamed and you're not trying to lather and rough up your skin. Love, love, love this. And it also, I never have a sensitivity with my eyes to that formula. And this is our Art Light Moisturizer. So the light is what I use for the daytime, and then the intense is the one that I use for nighttime. So drop this box down here, pull the next one forward. This is my loyalty order for the month, and as soon as I saw that they had the Collagen Inner Beauty back in stock, I stocked up. So I got 3 of these. We're just going to put these back in the box. You'll trust me that I got 3. So I got 3 of those, and I am using it. I used it for 21 consecutive days using 1 scoop, and then I did some research and I did a class on it, and I found that initially doing 2 scoops will give you faster results. It just makes sense. So I'm doing 2 scoops now, and then I'll back down to 1 scoop and see how I like that. But I can tell you, my fingernails are stronger. Used to be, they would have broken if I'd have tried to do that. So hair, I'm noticing I'm not getting as much hair loss, and I'm finding that some of these fine lines are not as prominent. So love that. And let's see, then I got the rest of this stuff. Let's see, I got a longevity. I told you that goes in my capsule, so I got the longevity, and that was a purchase. And then I also paid for a bottle of Super Cow Plus. This one gives me all my D's and K's vitamins. And then I got for free, no, I also bought an Illuminize. And I don't know if I've shown you guys the Illuminize, but let's just take a look at that quick. The Illuminize capsule, just that beautiful red capsule. And this is one that's going to help to protect your eyes from those harmful blue rays. So love the Illuminize, and we go through that every single month. Now, the rest of these are all freebies from my loyalty reward order, because Young Living's a very generous company. Every single month, they give us products for free based on our monthly purchase. So the more I buy, the more free product I get. And since this is my primary supplier for all of my facial care, my skin care, my household cleaning products, my supplements, and my essential oils, I have never had a problem making it to where I get all the free gifts that are offered in a month. So this month, we got a charcoal face mask. Love the way this makes my face feel. And then we got a free bottle of eucalyptus globius. And that's going to be perfect for the winter months. And patchouli essential oil. Love this in my face care routine. We got a satin mint facial scrub. Oh, the smell of this stuff is amazing if you've not tried it. And it's not using anything harmful or any type of plastics as your scrub. We're using apricot kernels that are finely ground. So it's all so gentle for our faces. Super B was also a free product this month, the supplement. And my new all-time cleaning favorite, I got this in the spring when it was introduced, and this is the Thieves Kitchen and Bath Scrub. And I haven't found a job that it doesn't tackle yet. So love this. If you've not tried it, I highly recommend it to replace all those tough abrasives that you previously used. So I'm going to just pop all this stuff back in the box quick so that we can move on, because I've got 2 more boxes, and I'm going to try to get through these quickly for you. I don't even know where we're at. Oh, that's the last one. Okay, so this one, I've told you in the past that I have a Young Living professional account. Young Living has discontinued offering new accounts for the professional, but they've grandfathered anybody in that's existing. So this is my professional account order. And on this order, what it means is I resale many of the products that are in this. We use them for our employees. And so we are getting 40% off of the retail price. It also reduces the amount of the PV or point value for products, and we can't get any free items off of the professional account orders, but the 40% is a wonderful savings. So what we got for this one is some more Super Cow Plus, some more Agiles, some more we got quite a bit of Agiles. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 Agiles and 2 Super Cows. And so I'm going to just pop those down there because it doesn't matter what box I go in. And then my husband, in addition to the charcoal bar soap, he absolutely loves the Shutron 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and facial wash. So he uses this in the shower every night, but he still likes the lather and the scent of the charcoal bar soap, so he uses that one as well. So we got another Shutron. We also got Omega Jais, which are our fish oil capsules, and we got our grandson's been spending a lot of time with us. He's just a little tyke, and so we got Seedlings, and this is their shampoo and body wash. It's a no-tear formula. It doesn't have any of the harmful things that you're going to find in commercially prepared products for children. It's infused with some essential oils, and it comes with a pumper for the bottle. So it's our Seedlings baby shampoo and body wash. So I can't wait for him to be over tomorrow, and he loves getting baths at our house. I also got a lemon essential oil. I typically get the one that is the 1.8 ounce fluid ounce bottle, but they were temporarily out of it, so I got a 15 ml. And Joy. Love, love, love the Joy essential oil. If you've not tried it, it's everything the name says. It just brings about joy for you. I'm not going to drop those. And then I don't think we're going to run out for any time soon. We got 2 more master formulas because I always like to keep it on hand. I've had a couple of instances where I didn't order extra and we ran out until the company got it back in stock, and I do not want to run out of this product. So those are professional accounts order. And last but certainly not least, Young Living. When you get a loyalty reward order, that's a monthly shipment where you choose the products you want. In that loyalty order, you also get from the company the free gifts with purchase on a qualified purchase, and it changes every month. And you also get what they call loyalty reward points. And those points are basically, you can look at it as 1 point for every dollar you spend, and you can redeem up to, I believe it's still 350 points in an order. So I just redeemed a point order. Sorry, those boxes are keeping me from standing up straight. So I just redeemed, and these are the items that I chose to get absolutely free. All I paid was $7.99 for the shipping. So again, I told you I don't want to run out of Master Formula, and I'm even willing to redeem my points to get Master Formula and stock up. So 2 Master Formulas. MindWise, which is our product for cognitive health. I got another bottle of this. I use this in my shake every single morning also. And we never want to run out of Omega Jais, which is our omega 3s and 6s, which support our cognitive function. So, among other things, but another bottle of that, and a Thieves Household Cleaner. So these are the free products that I received just for having a monthly rewards order. Products that I would buy anyway. If you're not currently on a loyalty rewards order, getting stuff monthly, let me just really quickly tell you, there's no minimum purchase necessary. You can put one item, even if it's a lip gloss for $14 or a lip balm for $5. You can put that on your monthly order and have it shipped to you, and you can get 24% off of any product that you purchase. Next month, you can buy anything you want. Excuse me. So you don't have to have minimum purchases. However, if you have at least a $50 purchase in a monthly order, you will qualify for points so that you can start getting free products from the company. If your product exceeds $100 a month, you can start getting free gifts from Young Living in your order. So if you'd like more information, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer your questions. Thanks, and I'll see you next month.